see. Where are you from originally?
It's just me, Jackie. Sorry to scare you. I'm collecting books for my fall book display upstairs in the lobby. We have a wide selection of horror books from classics by Edgar Allan Poe and Shirley Jackson to current authors like Stephen King, Dean Koontz, and Christopher Buehlman. For our younger readers, we have put together fall book bundles and a fun take and make kit. The kit includes crafts and fun activities for kids to do at home. No need to sign up. They will be available while supplies last at the main desk the week leading up to Halloween. If you prefer digital, we have tons of titles available to stream through Hoopla and Overdrive. And you can get your scary movie fix through Kanopy with films like Hereditary and The Awakening. Or if hauntings are too scary for you, there are family-friendly and comedy options. Visit our e-library to start browsing. Maybe you are planning some baking for this fall. The library has many different cake pans available to check out. And if you are planning to do some ghost hunting, check out our Ghost Hunting Discover Kit.
Well, the library sure does have a lot of fun options for fall.
And everything can be picked up in the library's lobby or brought right to your car with curbside pickup.
Jackie.
We are excited to announce that starting Monday, November 2nd, the library will be open for browsing. Visit our website for more information at seymourlibrary.org.